So I'm going to do this video a little different. Welcome back to our page. I'm by myself today. I was going to push this car out actually and try to get better pictures of it, but I'm by myself. I can't push it forward, I can't push it back, so I did want to get a video up. And normally we don't do videos in the middle of the day like this because it's hard to get lighting inside the vehicle, but I'm going to go over a little bit different. You'll see what I'm talking about, and we're going to try something different. So this, in case you haven't noticed, is a 1967 Ford Country Squire Wagon. Factory 390 car, of course. It's an Arizona car. It's been parked since, I gotta look at the license plates. I think it's been parked since the 80s. I thought this is the coolest thing about this car. Seriously, in 67, you got scoops on your wagon, folks. Scoops. But it looks like it's original paint. What's left of it, a lot of patina. It's got a little dent right there in the door, but it's really solid rockers. Got a couple of the original wheels, a couple of the original wheel covers. It's got the roof rack, aka luggage rack. It's got the dual swing tailgate. When was last tagged? 82? 82. Friendly Motors, Tucson, Arizona. I bet they were friendly. So no rust here. I'm gonna go on the other side in a minute. But this is a really solid car. It's been parked for a long time. I believe the mileage to be original, about 100,000 or less. Some broken windshield here. No rust there. But I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more. This had some pack rats living in it, so it's got a funky smell inside. Not that you would care, because you'd probably just do all that anyway. Oh, let me go under it real quick. I want to show you some stuff. So I haven't tried this before, but I have it jacked up, and with some decent lighting and the camera kind of adjusting itself. People always say the frames on these cars rust. Well, it's got surface rust at best, but this frame is as solid as the day it was born. Knock off the surface rust and you got a really solid vehicle. The floors inside are really nice also, I'll show you. But the floors underneath are good. It's never really ever been exposed to salt air. The exhaust is falling off, of course. Because the engine in this car, I'll show you that in a second, definitely not a runner right now. But look at the bottom of the rockers. It's hard to tell. I'm trying to get the light to adjust. It's hard when it's sunny out like this. Sometimes the aperture in the camera doesn't want to cooperate. So, and that being said, I'm going to let it off the jack. We're going to look at this a little bit more. There's a bunch of parts that come with it. Looks like glass right there for the tailgate panel, an extra instrument cluster, air cleaner lid, an extra oil pan because this one has one on it, some other miscellaneous parts, air cleaner lid. Anyway, pretty much all these parts are going to get set in the back. There's the cover for the tire, spare tire well, and I believe it's gonna sound silly, I cannot for the life of me get this open. It swings that way and it's a swing away, but I can't get it to open, and I tried unlocking it and I'm not sure if it's just an adjustment that needs to be done. The cover's still on. Pop this cover off, you could probably get it open. So I haven't been able to get this lifted up. Here, this is also locked or something. Got a key for it, but it's just really stuck. So honestly, I don't know if it's a 3-row or not. I don't think it is a 3-row, to be honest with you. But hey, I don't know how to really tell, to be honest with you. You see gas tanks here. But anyway, so it is a fold down middle back seat, obviously. With a bad headliner. The stainless on this car and the chrome is actually in really nice shape. Try to get some better angle here so this you don't get a reflection. But just a really neat kitty cat. So it's just a really neat country Squire wagon, man. Woody. with very solid body panels. They look to be all original. Possibly the hood's been changed, but it looks original to me. Rockers are nice. This seat folds down. Yes, you see the pack rats were living in it. But this does fold up. See? But the floors, pretty dang solid. Needs a good cleaning still. Believe it or not, we spent a couple hours already cleaning this thing. It's air conditioned, power steering, power brakes. I'm not sure if they're disc or not. Automatic, AM radio. What's the mileage on this thing? Can you see it? If not, I'll have pictures of it. But I believe that's definitely the original mileage. Floors, super, super solid. I did not see a drive shaft in this. It might be in that pile back there. If not, you have to get your own, I guess. The roof is really nice. Yeah, we got carpenters today. So let's pop the hood. There's what's left of your 390. And there's your power brakes, power steering. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more, try to knock some more of this stuff out, like the battery tray and that kind of stuff. But air conditioned stuff looks all to still mostly be there. This is probably, yeah, your AC stuff here too. So is the condenser. Radiator is missing, obviously. Oh, it was a 4-barrel car. Look at that. 390 4-barrel. Nice. So the heads are missing. I don't have the heads. Hood close. Let's see here. Get a better view of this angle. Oh, you can't go wrong with this song. Come on. I just saw these guys in concert the other day, actually. They were here in Tucson. They put on a good show. Still sounded really good for their age. Marshall Tucker Band. So, what else? Again, it's hard to see the pictures. There's some spider webbers in there. So you go around those floors. Wheel cover. Nice and clean inside here, solid. It looks like it was a goldish color interior at one time, which would have been perfect for the fake wood grain on the outside. In-dash AC, of course. Open this up. The bucks. Okay. Some decent options for this car. I'm not saying it's fully loaded, but it's pretty decent. Yeah, there's some more pack rat stuff. Love that. But this car definitely deserves to be restored. There's the floor. There you go. And I'm sure someone will do a great job with it too. All looks to be pretty much intact. Headliner's missing. Bows all seem to be intact. Really, the only dent is that one I think is right there on that car, that door. Again, these scoops cracked me up. They must have funneled fresh air inside the car, maybe? I don't know where they would have funneled fresh air in. But somewhere inside, or it just was an aesthetic thing. Here's your chrome stainless, or your stainless trim. The fiberglass trim for the wood paneling is actually not in bad shape. I think it's usable. I really do. I mean, Arizona's hard on a lot of this stuff, but I think it's totally savable and usable. You know, it is a little dry. So, again, 67 Country Squire Wagon. Comes with a clean Arizona title. Been parked for many, many years. That's right, Marshall Tucker said it right. Can't be wrong. Don't want to miss out on this. Haven't seen one of these in a long, long time. Rest of the glass is great, by the way. Just the windshield, which you probably want to replace anyway. Does have a really cool trailer hitch, right for the family. So I might do another video This car does come with keys. Locking gas cap. I might do another video of it when the sun goes down. And just for your pleasure. And I think that's it. So I hope you enjoy it. Try something different. And if you got any questions, always, you know, just message me, post up a question on the YouTube page if you want. Message us there, whatever you want to do. But we appreciate you checking out our cars. Look at the patina on this. Look at that. I wouldn't even paint this damn thing. There's no way. Mechanically get it great. Do the interior. Leave the outside just like this. And drive the hell out of it. That's what I would do. That's just me. Thanks again for watching.